Welcome to this video about the big update to MSI Afterburner. After over a year of no new updates, MSI was finally able to circumvent the payment issues and get their developer to work again, so they could add a bunch of features to the Overclocking app. The biggest feature update is support for NVIDIA's RTX 40 series and AMD Radeon RX 7900 series GPUs. Plus, Intel's A series ARC GPUs now have monitoring support with overclocking support to be added later. This update also adds support for the GA103 and GDDR6X versions of the RTX 3060Ti and various other AMD and NVIDIA GPU PCI device IDs. And if you install Riva Tuner in conjunction with MSI Afterburner, you'll now be able to enjoy version 7.3.4 with 100 compatibility enhancements, changes, and new features. For those who want to monitor and overclock their new GPUs, this is the perfect opportunity to try MSI Afterburner and its latest update. Instant access for breaking news, in-depth reviews and helpful tips can be found right on their website. That's it for today's video on the update to MSI Afterburner. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to like and subscribe if you found the video helpful.